Right, let's speak of other pictures that have also been coming in. This is External Affairs Minister meeting the Chinese President Xi Jinping. As far as when it comes to this meeting is also concerned, it is important to highlight as far as this meeting is concerned, this is on India-China relations as well. The briefings that has been taking place on India-China bilaterals and far-seeing approach, that now seems to be one of the core agendas of the two neighboring nations as far as this meeting is now set to be a significant step in improving relations after years of border tensions. And the External Affairs Minister who met President Xi Jinping and Wang Yi as well are discussing bilateral ties, border issues, trade concerns, and what is being said that both sides have emphasized mutual respect, the importance of civil relations, and discussions also when it comes to covering terrorism and trans-border rivers and people-to-people exchanges as well. So this is his first visit as far as External Affairs Minister is concerned to the country in 6 years amid signs of improving relations between India and China following years of border tension as well. When it comes to de-escalation that was witnessed over several rounds of diplomatic and military level talks that are also concerned. And the External Affairs Minister who has been in China for the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Foreign Ministers meeting where he met with the Chinese counterpart. A word from Rishabh right now. Rishabh, good progress and improvement that seems to be in the making as far as India and China is concerned? Well, S. Jaishankar, the External Affairs Minister, said that he called President Xi Jinping this morning in Beijing along with the fellow SCO foreign ministers as well. And Dr. S. Jaishankar says that he conveyed the greetings of President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he is apprised the Chinese president of the recent developments of bilateral ties and value the guidance of our leaders in that regard. And what has been also said that India and China have made good progress over the past 9 months when it comes to normalizing relations and attributing it to resolution of friction along the border and maintenance of peace and tranquility. And this is also a fundamental basis for mutual strategic trust for smooth development when it comes to bilateral relations as well. So here is Dr. S. Jaishankar, Srinjoy, who has been emphasizing that both countries must continue to build positive momentum. Srinjoy.
Yes, this is a big moment. Because it's one thing for S. Jaishankar, the External Affairs Minister, to meet Wang Yi or even the Vice President. But to call on the President Xi Jinping is something else. It means that this is a courtesy that the Chinese are part of. And the important point being made is that we have to build on what we already have. So in recent months, Ajit Doval, the National Security Advisor, has met his counterpart. So has S. Jaishankar. Now perhaps when the SCO summit happens, Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be going across. Now this is a sign that Galwan has been left behind. There are still many problems in this relationship. Sindoor gave one very clear indication of that Chinese military expertise was used by Pakistan. So all of these things have to be sorted out. But before that's sorted out, you have to talk. And it's important, whether it's at the National Security Advisors level, whether it's
a step towards improving relations, a positive momentum that has now been built up as far as when it comes to this courtesy missing that is now happening between the External Affairs Minister and the Chinese President Xi Jinping. For the moment, thank you very much, Srinjoy, for joining in. With that, it's on this edition of the Morning News. We'll see you tomorrow. Coming up on the other side is